What is up, guys? RC Jeffrey with another video. So we're gonna start off with our 15. It's a little claustrophobic in there, but it's manageable. There she goes. So yeah, I'm gonna come back, wait a little bit, and then after that put the oil in. Alright, so we just changed the oil. Now it's time to dump it. My nigga Coro. Alright, so that's that, guys. I'm gonna go clean this thing off. We're gonna use parts cleaner, but the ones we have is fucking disgusting, bro. I would not recommend buying this shit. I think they sell it at AutoZone, but that shit's disgusting, bro. It smells like shit. It's like the cheapest one, probably that's why. But yeah, I would not recommend this shit. It smells like shit.